The ISO tank container, developed by Beijing SinoCleansky Technologies Corporation, is a 40-foot LNG tank container which meets both ASME and GB standard, and is ideal for railway, highway, waterway intermodal transportation. The main body of SinoCleansky ISO tank is composed of a frame, a tank body and valve instrument boxes. The frame part is composed of corner parts, corner columns, longitudinal beams, and end beams. The tank part consists of an inner vessel and a shell. 8 points radial support structure is used between inner vessel and outer shell. One end is a fixed support and the other end is a sliding support. The insulation structure of SinoCleansky ISO tank is high vacuum multilayer insulation. The tank is provided with 2 valve boxes, among which the main valve box is arranged on the left side of the end of the tank, and the valve box is made of stainless steel. The valve box door is equipped with a visible transparent window in the position displayed by the liquid level gauge and pressure gauge. The door is open upward and equipped with a compressed air spring strut. The auxiliary valve box is arranged at the right end of the tank body. The valve box is equipped with safety monitoring device. The user can monitor the pressure and liquid level in the tank in real time through the mobile phone app. Main technical parameters of SinoCleansky ISO tank. Outline dimensions: length 12,192 mm, width 2,438 mm, height 2,591 mm, geometric volume of inner vessel 45 cubic. Empty tank weight 13.5 tons, maximum filling capacity 17.48 tons, design life 20 years. ISO code 42K7. IMDG ISO tank T75. Here we will give a brief introduction to the external structure layout and surface identification of the SinoCleansky ISO tank. The front side with main valve box is mainly composed of main valve box, client's logo, manufacturer's logo, medium label LNG, IMDG label, container owner's code and number, ISO tank lifting warning signs, forbidden shovel mark, dangerous goods mark, fire extinguisher. The back side mainly consists of the auxiliary valve box, medium label, liquefied natural gas, the name of the designer, the front end mainly consists of container owner's code and number, documents cartridge. The back end mainly consists of main technical parameters. Nameplate 1. Nameplate 2. China Classification Society logo. International Classification Society logo. Container owner's code and number. Inner vessel nameplate. ESD emergency switch. Vent port. Remote antenna. Electrostatic grounding position. The upper and lower sides of the tank are the basic supporting surface for lifting, which realizes the coordination between corner parts and rotary lock of the tank body and the stable and reliable stacking between the tanks. The bottom of the tank body is with gooseneck tunnel, which is suitable for gooseneck tunnel and skeleton flatbed truck loading and transportation. The valve instrument box is arranged on the side of the tank body. The box contains all kinds of valves, instruments, and safety accessories needed for tank operation. Main internal structures are liquid phase pipeline, liquid interface E1, top filling valve V2, bottom filling valve V1, liquid phase emergency cutoff valve EV1, gas phase pipeline, gas interface E2, Gas valve V4. Gas emergency cutoff valve EV2. Three-way switching valve DR. Inner vessel safety valve Y1A. Inner vessel safety valve Y1B. Pressurized pipeline. PBU interface E3. PBU inlet valve V3, PBU emergency shutoff valve EV3. Overflow pipe. 90% full test valve TV1. 81.6% full test valve TV2. Vent valve V10. Residual discharge valve V5. Residual discharge valve V9. Residual discharge valve V11. Pipeline safety valve SV1. Pipeline safety valve SV2. Differential pressure pipeline. Level gauge vapor valve V8. Level gauge liquid valve V6. Level gauge balance valve V7. Level gauge L. Pressure gauge P1. Remote monitoring device P. Please read the SinoCleansky 40 feet International Multimodal LNG tank instructions carefully and refer to the flow chart to be familiar with the pipe nozzle valves and their functions, which is very important for operators.